frequently the insurance company will call you real early on in the process, within days, sometimes even hours of your accident. You'll have the insurance company for whomever is at fault on the phone with you, reassuring you, saying, oh, we're going to take care of you. We're going to be fair. Just let us know how you're doing and we'll be fine. You'll be fine. You don't need an attorney. We can do this. They try to lull the client into a false sense of security that, hey, we're your friend. We're going to help you out. We're going to be fair. That's not what's going to happen. What that does is it delays things and gives the insurance company, trucking company, whomever, time to either color the evidence a certain way, sometimes lose things that shouldn't be lost, or certain important evidence might slip away, like the scene where the wreck happened could change, accident cleanup and things of that nature. Those things are designed to delay the injured party's treatment and or response to the wreck itself. In other words, getting an attorney. It's important in a case like that. A truck crash can be complex enough that it's not a situation where somebody would call me up and I would say, you don't really need a lawyer, just do this, that, and the other thing. That's not the case with a trucking accident. That doesn't happen. What you need is to get an attorney, whether it's us or anybody, but you need an attorney's office who will move quickly to get photos of the scene if possible, and get on the insurance company with that letter that says, hey, don't lose anything now. Remember, we got a potential lawsuit here, don't lose anything. And also get you to the right doctor for the right care. As an individual, your conversation with that insurance company is recorded. Every time you talk to them, they're either typing out notes about it or they're literally recording the conversations. But what you don't want to do is give the insurance company a statement that they can hold against you later on, because they're trying to get the case resolved before you realize the value of the case. And one thing that will help you realize the value of the case is talking to an attorney. So they're going to try to get you done and out the door before you understand what your real injury is. Those traumatic brain injuries, for example, post-traumatic stress from a car wreck, these things may not show up for a couple of weeks or maybe a month, who knows, but they can show up, and post-concussion syndromes can get worse. And we've seen cases where they get significantly worse after the first few weeks. And if you're settling your case 2 weeks after the accident happened, you're not going to be compensated for your medical bills that you're going to have or the pain and the suffering you're going to go through.